Okay, hello, welcome. So this is going to be a quick setup video on how to use the Bridge Designer software, potentially Bridge Designer 2018 or 2016, depending on using it in school or at home. So you might be lucky enough to have the icon set up on your desktop if you've downloaded this yourselves. But for the majority of us working in school, we're looking for the software through this Windows tab. Type in Bridge, and Bridge Designer 2016 is what we're after, potentially Bridge 2018, again, as I said before. So a couple of nondescript boxes, we'll just hit close and press OK. And then we've got the project setup wizard. So this is going to give us a number of parameters that we can change. So that we're all starting in the same place, if you can follow this tutorial as a guide, and then ultimately, if you get the task completed, we can look at adapting some of those parameters for version 2, version 3. So option 1, we're going to click next. Option 2 is very much the same, so we can hit next again. Option 3 does allow us to change the elevation view, how low the bridge is. We can excavate some ground material. So for instance, if I did this, you'd see this lowering. But again, for now, keeping all of this nice and easy and leaving it on there. Now it's worth noting we have got this site cost tab at the bottom. And if we hit that drop down menu, what you'll see is that it's giving us an overall cost for our bridge so far before even assembling anything. So this is the first setup icon that we need to consider which of the two are we going to go for. So we've got medium strength concrete or we've got high strength concrete. So most of you are probably going to think, well, high strength concrete, I'm going to go for that one. But just do factor in that already you're increasing the cost of your bridge by doing so, with the ultimate aim of creating a successful bridge for the cheapest amount. So that is something for you to factor in. I'll move mine up to the high strength and we'll leave it as 2 trucks going across. Hit next. So on tab 5, there are a whole host of exemplar bridge structures that we could use. Again, later on, if any of us are struggling or we want to kind of explore different designs, we can come back to this template, but we're going to focus on using none to start off with. Last tab, really, that we need to do anything. So I'm just going to put my initial and my surname. By all means, put your full name in there. I'm going to click next, and finally, then allow me to finish. And this is then us ready to start designing our bridge.